Hi everyone, I'm number 110, SHEN Yiting, and today I'm gonna share news in China market. The title of this news is Ant Group gets Hong Kong Stock Exchange approval, clearing last major handle for its massive IPO. And first I will start introducing the terminologies. Ant Group. What is Ant Group? Ant Group usually referred to as 蚂蚁金服. It is a special technology company located in China. The origin of Ant Group is well known as Ant Financial and Alipay. Ant Group is the world's highest valued fintech company and the most valuable startup company as well, with a target valuation of 280 billion US dollars. China's largest digital payment platform also owned by this group, serving over 1 billion users and 80 million merchants, with total payment volume transactions reaching 180 trillion RMB in June 2020, according to the latest data. The group also provides an internet wealth management platform named Yuebao. Its flagship Tianhong Yuebao monetary fund is the world's largest. More than one-third of China's population are using this product and service. Second is about IPO. IPO means the initial public offering. It can be defined as launch the stock market. It is a special type of public offering in which shares of a company are sold to institutional investors and usually also retail investors. An IPO is underwritten by one or more investment banks. The company is going public. On the other hand, a privately held company is transformed into a public company with this process. Thirdly is about Hong Kong Stock Exchange. The Hong Kong Stock Exchange, SHK, is located in Hong Kong, China. It is the third largest Asian market capitalization immediately behind the Tokyo Stock Exchange and Shanghai Stock Exchange, and it is the fourth largest stock market in the world. Lastly, FinTech. Financial technology is a special method and concept combined with the technology and innovation for competing for traditional financial markets. FinTech usually consists of mobile banking, investing, borrowing services, and cryptocurrency. There are several familiar concepts such as crowdfunding, digital currency. These are all belongs to FinTech, also peer-to-peer platforms. What is news happened? CNBC has confirmed that the Ant Group has already received approval from the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and the IPO of Ant Group will list to the Hong Kong Stock Exchange as soon as possible. Ant Group has to file a registration with the Chinese regulator first, and then proceeded with the eventual pricing of the IPO. The process of listing to the SCHK is ongoing as scheduled. And what's the reasons and also the potential impacts? I will share right now. Usually, the public listing shows that the company has high performance and development potential. The IPO listing of Ant Group shows that the company has strong competitive advantages and keeps developing these years. Ant Group has expanded to a certain extent in China. Therefore, it is necessary to transform the assets into the factors that can affect the market. Listing is an inevitable result. In the future, the list of Ant Group would become one of the biggest listings of all time and affect the entire financial market. Companies will expand its assets through the listing of stocks. After the listing, when the stock is sold, the profit gained from the stock can be obtained for expanding reproductions as well. There are several benefits that it can gain from this event, especially for the company itself. Firstly, it can become more convenient for raising the capital. Secondly, it can improve capital financial capacity. Lastly, this event can improve company's position and market image, which can attract more customers and employees. Maybe that the stock of Ant Group may rise on the day of listing, and the entire market and fintech-related stocks will rise as well. I believe the event shows the importance of IPO to companies. By listing IPO, the companies can increase their development and are able to influence the entire market. More companies choose to list on the stock exchange owing to prove their success. In recent years, tremendous technology companies have listed to the public, which also proves the rapid development of financial technology. In the future, we may be able to see more technology companies occur and occupy the entire market.